Sometimes, one moment can change everything. A happy family can turn into a lonely struggle, and a strong heart can break without making a sound. This is the story of a single father who lost almost everything, but love and kindness helped him rise again. Before we begin, if you enjoy emotional and inspiring stories, please subscribe, like, and comment. Welcome to Kindness Lights, where we spread love and hope through powerful storytelling. Now, let the story begin. Daniel never thought he would become a single dad. He loved his wife Emily, and together they dreamed of watching their little daughter Lily grow up. They planned birthday parties, school days, and vacations by the beach. Life felt safe, like a beautiful dream. But dreams don't always last. Emily became sick. Very sick. Doctors tried. Daniel prayed. Lily didn't understand why her mom couldn't come home. One night, in a small hospital room, Daniel held Lily close as Emily whispered her final words. "Take care of her. She needs you. Be strong, for our girl." And then, Emily was gone. Daniel felt like the world went dark. He wasn't just heartbroken, he was terrified. How do you raise a child alone? How do you cook, clean, work, pay bills, and still be a loving parent? He didn't have answers, only promises. Every morning, he woke up early to get Lily ready. He brushed her hair into messy ponytails. He packed whatever food he could afford in her lunchbox. Some days, he ate nothing so she could have a full meal. He smiled through the pain so she wouldn't worry. Because a dad's job is to make his little girl feel safe, even when he isn't. Money ran out fast. Bills kept coming. The landlord knocked more than once. Daniel lost sleep, searching for jobs that matched his schedule. People stared at him with pity. Some assumed he was irresponsible. But no one saw how hard he fought just to keep their little world together. Still, Lily believed in him completely. Every day she waited at the daycare door, ready to jump into his arms. "Daddy! You came," she'd shout. And that moment, just one hug, gave him strength to try again tomorrow. One afternoon, a letter slid under the door. Rent overdue. Final notice. They were being evicted. Daniel's hands shook as he read the words. He tried to hide the letter before Lily saw it, but she noticed his trembling. "Daddy, are we in trouble?" He forced a smile. "No, baby. Daddy will fix everything." But when she fell asleep, he cried. Not because he was weak, but because he loved her more than anything. The next morning, he knocked on the back door of a small diner, hoping they needed help. The manager, Joy, noticed the desperation in his eyes. She gave him a job washing dishes. It wasn't much, but it meant hope. Every night, she packed a small bag of leftover food for Lily. A simple kindness, but for Daniel, it felt like a miracle. Life was still hard. But kindness kept them alive. Then one day, Lily's daycare hosted a Parents' Day. She waited proudly with her little drawing, Daniel in a cape. "My daddy is my hero." She waited and waited, but Daniel didn't come. He was still working, trying to earn enough so they wouldn't lose their home. When he arrived late, Lily stood quietly in a corner, eyes full of tears. He knelt down, heart aching. "I'm sorry, baby. I'm trying." She wiped his tears with her tiny hand. "You came, Daddy. That's what matters." Her words healed something inside him. He realized he didn't need to be perfect. He just needed to be there. With time, things slowly got better. Joy gave him more hours. He saved money. They found a small but safe apartment. He even bought Lily a pink backpack for school. Every night, they cooked together, laughed together, healed together. On Lily's first day of school, she introduced her dad to her teacher. "This is my superhero," she said proudly, holding his hand tight. Daniel blinked back tears. For years, he thought he was just surviving. But he was doing more. He was giving his daughter a life filled with love. He looked at her, his light, his reason, his miracle, and understood the truth. Kindness saved them. The kindness of a boss who cared. The kindness of a child who loved without conditions. The kindness of small moments that kept hope alive when everything felt broken. We never really know what someone is going through. A smile, a meal, a helping hand, these little acts can change a life. That is the power of kindness. So if you're watching this right now, be the reason someone doesn't give up today. Show love. Show compassion. Because kindness is stronger than struggle, stronger than fear, stronger than loss. Just like Daniel and Lily proved. Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video to spread hope and kindness everywhere. Together, we can make the world a little brighter.